I've prepared a little slide deck on California surfing history, and I thought it'd explain how I put it together. In QCam, it's pretty much an interesting amalgam of text and images. The images are all inline, and I manipulated the size of the borders. And these are all just pulled off of the internet. And the text of all of this was generated by some prompting. This is LM Studio. I downloaded the new Gemma model from Google. It's open source. So in LM Studio, it enables me to create many separate system prompts, which are presets. You are a professional presenter and you want a concise teleprompter text, and you want things to be right up close where you have a headline followed by teleprompter text. By setting that up, I was just able to prompt it by saying, give me the history of surfing in California. And it gave me with everything I need to just copy and paste into QCam. It's all factual materials. And the next step was to use Google to get images. I went to each card as to what the text was talking about, used that as a search criteria, got an image, put into my script. Surfing originated in California in the early 20th century, largely thanks to this guy, Duke Kahanamoku, who introduced it to Southern California in 1908. It was something that the Hawaiians did and wealthy Californians did, but it gained popularity across social classes. And I think that's the point that makes it's a leveler. It became a way, if you were a good surfer, didn't matter where you came from. But it all started basically in Cocoa Beach, Florida. The first competition was held there in 1922, and it continues to be very popular there. But in the West Coast, after World War II, it exploded because of Hollywood, and there were people like Dora and Phil Edwards who walked the nose and, hang 10. It was all uh, an exciting time. And in the 60s, of course, the music came along with the Beach Boys and cars and surfboards, heavily influenced the surfing culture. And now you have advancements in wetsuits and boards that enable surfing on very large waves and in very cold weather. It will continue to evolve.